Good morning, students. How are you? Today I will discuss the chapter number 8. Same things. Chapter number 8, exercise number 5. I will discuss. Few students have doubt. They are not getting the answer. What they will write. Question number 5. Last 3 questions is very difficult for you. You are saying. Actually, this questions answer already I have discussed in video. If you follow the video, you can understand. The question 3 questions were there, that is sorting, create here, and for design view in MS Access. My dear students, sorting means you have seen I have done a query table. I have shown you by practical also query tables. How do you make the query? These things. Sorting. Whenever you will make the query, you need one database. Already you have seen database. Plenty students, plenty of friends name you have written. Suppose, okay. Even your classroom, you will see the 50 students or more than 50 students. You have your friends name also have different names. Okay. So whenever you will make the serial according to the name list will come, that time you will use for sorting. Okay, means sorting basically you are used for ascending and descending order. These two purpose we are used for sorting. Suppose your name list you have made, it will count the alphabetically order like A, B, C, D. The first characters will come A, then B, at last will complete by J. Okay, so if you want to see of this like this process, so that time you will use for sorting. Same thing if you want to see the name of descending orders, that time also you will use for sorting. Now the questions are coming, sir, we can do only for name purpose this sorting? No, number purpose also we can use for sorting. First 1 to 100, 100 to 1, like that we can use for sorting. Sorting basically we are used for ascending and descending order. Okay. Next is coming is the criteria. Criteria means previous class you have seen I have given one example also. Okay. Actually criteria it used only for if statement, conditions purpose. Conditions means some value we have given. If they follow the greater than or smaller than, that time we are use the criteria. Okay, so criteria basically we are used for condition purpose, logical purpose. Okay, suppose I am giving one example. In your class, those students are got above 50, only their name will display. Okay, so that time you will use the condition greater than or smaller than. Which one? Greater than 50. So this is the criteria. Now the question where is located? Just you follow my video, I have shown. Just under the sorting box, one option is the click, then criteria option is there. There you will give the value. Okay, this is the criteria option. Now the next question is coming for design window. In MS Access, in design window many options are there. One of them table, then query, report, form. These are the for design in MS Access. Don't think that is design view and data set view. Not, that is for design view. And these are the options for the question number G, the parts of design. These are the parts of designs. We can make report for printing purpose. It is not your book. Then also I'm saying report we can access the print purpose. Form we can make the data sets according to designing purpose. Step by step it will come. Query you have learned, it is for search purpose, and table it is make the table data sheet purpose. So these are the functions for design. Okay. Now the page number 95 or 93, you can see one tables as given, that is few options are there: short text, long text. This short text and long text we can use for text typing. Means, you know, the one box we can use if you are select short text, means 255 character we can enter. Character means letters we can enter. Remember the one space bar also it will count. Okay. But long text more than 255. It around 65,000 like that. Okay. So suppose we are selected one field command. I have given that address. Address basically we want plenty of characters. So that time we will select the long text. Okay. Now coming the OLE object. What is that OLE object? My dear, OLE object means it is used for the Excel table purpose. Excel means it is for regarding the row and column. One table will come, a row spreadsheet. Excel, it is called the spreadsheet. It's combinations of rows and columns. And with the Excel we can type the data, we can calculate the data, we can calculate, do many things. So if we are attach of these things, so we can use for OLE object. One more thing, hyperlink. What is that hyperlink? Hyperlink means we can join two pages together. Link two pages, yeah, more than two pages. I am giving one example. You have seen in the internet, if suppose gallery options there, if you click on the gallery, so many pictures will come out. Means what? The gallery, word of gallery in the picture pages it has attached, it has joined, it has linked. These are the called the hyperlinks. Okay, my dear. So this is the functions of hyperlink. Okay. And obviously another thing, that is number, currency, you already learned, you have understood, you don't have any doubt, I think. So these are the data type, data field we can use for MS Access. Okay. So I hope your doubt has cleared. You will see the text properly. You obviously will see the practical purpose, whatever I have seen, you will see thoroughly and you will do practice in your computers. Okay. So my dear, I hope you have your doubt has cleared. Okay. Thank you.